We're showing you how you're going to fold your laundry in under 4 minutes and save your marriage. How do you do it? You take FoldiMate, you clip items onto FoldiMate one at a time, and it simultaneously folds it for you in a neatly folded stack to put away in your closet.
And it's that easy.
My kids are fighting over who is going to use it. I believe it's that easy.
How soon will it be available and at what cost?
If everything goes according to plan, by the end of next year, 2019, first units will ship to customers who placed an early deposit today, and it will cost $980, and those who placed an early deposit will receive a 10% discount for their patients.